Hey guys, this is the crawler I won from the Gen 8, body painted by Johnny Rains. Got a YouTube channel, check him out. Great painter. This is won this off of truboyzrc channel with Life of COACHD, Gap Review AtoZ, and HWY RC was on their channel doing an interview, and they were giving this away, and I won it, so I appreciate HWY RC. And this thing is pretty slick. It looks like it's been through hell and back. So there you go, guys. Still, I think I'm gonna leave their for sale sign in there too, just because it looks cool. Add my own little touches to it. I think I will paint these, redo these rims. Got them two different colors. But yeah, looks good, guys. Inside's a little easy use truck. It's gonna make a fun project. Clean it up, fix it up a little bit. See, it's been used and abused. Love it. Love it. Something to work on. So, and then I'm doing that. Shout out to JJ Customs. I got the hobby wing. I'm gonna put this bad boy in there. It's 1080, hobby wing 1080. So shout out to JJ Customs, Jason out there, great guy. First time I met him going out there. That's where I picked this crawler up at. Chris from Highway 1 dropped it off there, and I went and picked it up. So it's gonna be cool. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Appreciate everybody that was involved. It was a fun night. So, and I'm gonna have a blast tearing it all down, cleaning it, fixing it, putting my touches on it. So thanks again, guys.